A vibrant hummingbird flutters joyfully, basking in the refreshing weather. A delightful start to this journey. Majestic trees standing proud in a serene forest, creating a scene of tranquility. Racket-tailed treepie, its stunning tail, a true marvel of nature's artistry. Blue-napped monarch sits gracefully on her nest. A black-hooded oriole keenly observed its surrounding, embodying nature's curiosity. Coca thrush fills the air with its melodious voice. The elegant voice of the oriental magpie robin and the Eurasian wren add a harmonious melody to the woodland symphony. American goldfinch tenderly feed, a heartwarming moment of life's simple joy. The journey ends with a delicate presence of a Fantail bird, leaving us in awe of the intricate beauty of the nature. Let's preserve and cherish it, for in its preservation lies our own salvation. Until we meet again, stay connected to the rhythm of the earth and the song of the wild.